These are the Creative Green reusable grocery bags. You go from this, you open it up, to this. And there are 3 of them, okay? Instantly makes you feel organized. And these fit in the back of your truck nicely, depending on your car. In my husband's car, I can line all 3 of them up next to each other. In my car, I can line 2 of them up. It depends on your trunk, but makes loading and unloading so incredibly easy. And there's no collapsing. Once that bottom is put in, it is staying put. One bag is big enough to replace several disposable bags. The long handles make it super comfy to carry these, even when the bags are fully loaded. So strong enough for milk, pop, anything, and they keep their shape. The bottom does not fall out. They don't tip over, they don't fold. When you open the trunk, the milk doesn't fall out on you. So nice. And just wipe it down quickly if, something spills or you get it dirty. So once you're done, you just disassemble it, and it's like a little notebook. Slide it under the seat, slide it in a drawer. But I'm going to use these for more than just my groceries. You could do sorting, anything bulky. I love the reinforced stitching. I love the navy color. They're very visually appealing. And again, you get 3 of them. The bottom line is, if you want reusable bags that stand up, that hold their shape, that stay organized, these are definitely worth grabbing. This is about 2 feet, a little less than 2 feet, maybe 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet. Very, very nice, rectangular, nice volume, highly recommend. This video is sponsored.